Hey everybody, if you're watching this video, you already own a hoverboard or you're planning to buy one soon. In this video, I'll show you how to ride and how to maintain your hoverboard so it lasts for years. In this part, I'll teach you how to ride the hoverboard. First, place the hoverboard flat on the ground while it's switched off. And then, press the power button and you see the hoverboard will calibrate by itself. Feel free, relax, you have to keep your legs free, place your feet on the extreme ends and then step on. So once you step on, you lean forward to go front and lean back to go back. So to turn the hoverboard, press your right toe pointing down and left toe pointing up, you turn anti-clockwise, and left toe down, right toe up, you turn clockwise. It's as simple as that. And to dismount, lift your right leg or one leg at a time, step down on the back while your other leg is on the hoverboard and lift the other leg later right after that. Charging. Always use the original RadBoards charger. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours. Don't charge overnight and unplug once it's done. So how do you know if it's fully charged? On the charger, when you connect it to the hoverboard, it turns red, and once it's fully charged, it turns green. Cleaning. Use a dry and slight damp cloth to clean. Don't use any chemicals or spray water on the hoverboard. Regular checkups. Check the wheels and screws every few weeks to make sure everything's tight. And if you face any issues, remember RadBoards gives you 1 year warranty on the components and lifetime free service. So that's Rover Off-Roader hoverboard for you. It's fun, stylish and built to last.